Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today, and thank you for joining me in Pootles Advent Countdown. 25 projects coming out to you, 5 a week for 5 weeks. We're coming up to the end of week 2, and we're going Sip Sip Hooray. I love this card. I love the stamp set. Sip Sip Hooray. I absolutely adore it. You can make your own cocktails, also because it comes with dies. But I decided, you know, because we're going for a Christmas theme here, because it's an Advent Countdown, I've snuck in the Eat, Drink and Have a Merry Christmas from the Cheers to That stamp set. Actually, they're both on the same page in the annual catalogue, the autumn winter catalogue, so that's what inspired me. Now this one, I'm reckoning that's pink gin. I don't know, you can make up your own stuff, but I'm going to make a mojito this time round. So I took a piece of grey granite cardstock, cut it in half and folded it in half. That's my card blank there. So I'm going to burnish that up. And then I took a piece of Whisper White and cut it so it was half an inch shorter and narrower. So because I work in International A4, I know that that's 10 centimetres wide. So I've got a panel of Old Olive, no it's not, it's Pear Pizzazz, also 10 centimetres wide. That's what's going to go through the big shot, along with my stamped drink. Now a mojito, I'd actually have a tall tumbler, but you know, shall I make it a champagne glass? Or shall I go with this one again? I'm going to make the champagne glass, I think. Why not? Why not? Let's have a big mojito. So I'm going to take that one out. I'm going to take my mint leaves, and I'm going to take the mixture that's going to go in there. Oh, and it's all got stuck together. And I might take that one out to get some... I don't suppose you really have bubbles. No, you don't really have bubbles in a mojito. So, okay, so I want a scrap of Whisper White, or some scraps of Whisper White, and I'm going to get a long block for the glass. That is an H block. I'm going to grab, I'm going to throw a C block for that. I've got lots of C. Do you know what? I've got lots of all of the blocks. And this one's a B block for the mint leaves. Right, so let me get some grey granite. For the glass. And I'm going to put, actually you know what, I'm going to stamp this while I'm here. Mint leaves there, and then I want to grab the Eat, Drink and Have a Merry Christmas from the Cheers to That. That's this one. Put that on a little block. Do that down at the bottom, so I'm going to punch that with a circle. Ooh! And while I'm here, I've got... Oh, I did that in the wrong colour. I'll have to colour it. What's going to go on the inside of this glass. So I hope I haven't just stuck my head in it. Ooh, that's quite a pungent mojito. Do I want to do... Let me have a look, because I think I might want to do my mint in shaded spruce. I don't. I've made an executive decision. I don't. I'm going to pick up some ink with the tip of my Wink of Stella and colour it. That was just a bit too dark for this project to do it directly in the shade of spruce. That I think gives me a more realistic colour. So let me just got a scrap of Whisper White here, and I'm going to come over the top to give that a bit of a sparkle. I don't know how well you can see that. Oh, there you go. Give a bit of a sparkle on there. And I'll clean that one up as well. There we go, fresh and good for another time. Let's move that out of the way. First things first, I'm going to get that punched out. I think that's a 1.5 inch punch. Don't remember. It is. Well remembered. So that's done. Pop that up there. Clear some space and grab my big shot. And I've got magnetic platform, grubby clear plate, oops, And then I'm going to find the dies, which are just under here. It's all stuck down, so I want that one, and I want the leaves. I also want that one. I'm going to come back for that in a minute. Line that up, line those up. Oh, jumping magnets. And where's my clear plate? Over the top, and a shim. So they're cut, and then I'm going to now do the sort of bubbles bits. So I need to bring this back in. And so now I'm going to take this piece of cardstock that I cut before, and I'm just going to cut off. So if I lift this up, what I'm doing is I'm not completely lining it up at the bottom, but I'm getting reasonably close. Which, you know, it's probably simpler to do it that way round, so that I can make sure it's lined up enough. Over the top, shim on again. Run that through, and that has... Oh, it's because I hand cut it. I'm just starting to think, why is that not cut? So it's cut my bubbles off there, and then let me just move it all out of the way. And then with a pair of scissors, I don't know if you can see, there it is, there's sort of like a scored scallop line. So I'm just going to take my snips, follow it round. I will ditch the pink bubbles that have been left behind. Oh, for goodness sake, I'm going to turn this phone off. That have come from the last project, from the last cut I made. Pop that one off. There we go. So now that can stick, and I can start putting it all together. Oh, yes, I wibbled this. That was my fault, but I was impatiently doing it. There we go. So, piece of cardstock. Where's my piece of Whisper White? There it is. Piece of Whisper White to go over the top. And some snail. Oh, blimey, it's just my phone, it all wants my attention. I have a new phone, and it's arrived today, the day I'm filming. It's about a week before you're seeing it. And I haven't set it up properly yet, and it's going beep, 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 beep at me with everything, because I haven't changed the notifications. I have changed the ringtone, because I take lots of phone calls each day. And the phone calls, the ringtone was annoying me. I was like, oh, I'm not doing with that. So that was the first thing I changed. Right, so get that on and line it up. Fabulous. And my nice little bottle of glass of mojito. Where are my dimensionals? Not under there. Oh, they're underneath the stamp box. So I'm going to take, one for there, one for there, and then I want a little bit, just like half a one. Oh, just got the whole strip. Oh. Let's try that again. A bit for in there. Lovely mojito. Punch out with the dimensional as well. I'm going to take a glue dot on the back of the mint leaf. Pop it there, and then to finish, I've got the peacock rhinestones, because they've got this sort of minty green colour. And I'm going to take a trio of the smallest ones. One there. Where should I put them? And there. Cute, quick Christmas card, I reckon. Eat, drink, have a Merry Christmas. Why not? Glittery mojito, pink gin. I don't know, I'm guessing. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.